This is AH-MB12, and before I install the gas, there are two things I want to talk about. First, it has a 3 tube, which means it has a big flame and it is for bigger object. And second thing is you can turn the tube like this, 360 degree, no problem. Okay, now I'm going to install the gas tank like this. Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to turn the gas by turning this bottom counterclockwise like this. You will hear gas leaking. Okay. Now I hear it. Now take a torch, light it up. Okay. Like this. Very big, huh? To adjust flame size, to turn counterclockwise or clockwise. And to turn it off, just turn it all the way clockwise. Okay? That's it.